My amazing people, welcome to today's video. In today's video, you will learn how a video editor makes $42,000 per month on Skool. Mario Vrico is from Serbia and he built his community to over 1,000 paying members and makes more than $42,000. Let me show you the proof. If you go to school.com and go to games, here you can see for all time in the hobbies category, Mario Rico is the number one ranking guy with his community Talas Academia in the Serbian language, and he makes $42,000 per month. MRR means monthly recurring revenue. So this is the proof, and he also has the crown, which is awarded to someone who is making $30,000 monthly recurring revenue, right? So he is the crown. So he is the top 1% earner on Skool, right? So coming back to our video, we will dive into his complete marketing strategy, why he was able to make so much money, and how you can do the same, which is very, very important. So if you are someone with a skill or a specialized knowledge and want to make a living teaching it to others, then this could be the only video you need to change your life. You can learn about the complete roadmap and how you can do the same by just visiting the first link in the description down below. And if we haven't met before, I'm Azim Ahmed, an electrical engineer turned copywriter, and I'm building my Skool community from scratch and growing it past $10,000 per month. So let's dive in. In this video, you will learn the numbers in real time, the complete strategy, why is the Skool the best way to monetize your skill, and last but not the least, how you can do the same. So step number one is numbers in real time. So if we go to games and go to his community, here we can see the actual numbers. His community name is Talas Academia. He has 1,000 paying members and he charges $70 per month with 13 admins, and right now there are 7 people online, right? So this community is by Mario Varico. So going back here, so currently he is making $42,662 per month in monthly recurring revenue, right? And we have seen that he's a top 1% earner on Skool. And yes, I want to show you that he's a two-time Skool games winner. If we go back here to Skool games and filter with the quarter and select the quarter 4 2025, we can see Mario is the top in this quarter with $51,732 in monthly recurring revenue. If you go to quarter 3 2025, he is number 3 with $22,129 monthly recurring revenue. So he has won Skool games two times. Okay, basically, what is this is that top five groups with the most MRR growth for the quarter win, right? So these are the top five winners in this quarter 3 2025 in the hobbies category. So we have nine categories to compete in, right? Music, money, spirituality, tech, health, sports, and self improvement. So it's a fun sprint where all the community owners try to make so much progress that they want to win this game, and they will get a paid trip to Los Angeles. As you can see here, the top five in each category win an all expenses paid trip to Los Angeles. This visit Skool headquarters in Los Angeles. They attend the one-day mastermind by Hormozy himself, and they get a Skool games trophy. So this is an amazing ride which excites all the community owners in every single quarter, which makes school a lot of fun and active place to build a thriving online community around your passion, skills, or specialized knowledge. So the strategy, which is very important. So Mario was successful because he started a niche video editing school for Serbian region only. Okay, so he was not competing with all the video editors across the globe. Okay, there might be hundreds of thousands of video editors worldwide, but he was not competing with any of them because he was only running his school community for the people living in his region, right? So this was the first win for him, and he removed all the competition from his school community. That is why he grew so much and so much fast. Next off, his traffic sources. Let's have a look at his traffic sources. His YouTube channel has 3,000 subscribers with 31 videos posted. If you go to his videos, so this is his video he has posted inside his school about page. If we go to his school community, so this is the video he has used from his YouTube channel, and this video has 13,000 views, right? So what he is doing basically, he is pushing all his traffic to this link, which is a landing page which looks like school, but it's a landing page website, and he has all the testimonials, video testimonials, text testimonials, and he also answers the FAQs here. So what he is doing basically, he's building credibility for his school community. And once people land here, they will watch all these testimonials, text testimonials, and video testimonials, and they will click here. And once they click here, they will land on his school community. So, since they already consumed a lot of testimonials, so they're already convinced that he's the guy to learn video editing. Okay, if you are in Serbia, so this is the guy to learn from. And $70 per month is not a big deal. It's a no-brainer what he is offering in his school, which is Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Blender, CapCut. He teaches all these inside his community. And more importantly, he is also teaching how to get a client, which is very important, which makes his school community more lucrative than anything else, right? Because unless you don't know how to get a client, you are not going to feel so much confident about a school community and whether you should join it or not. So this is very important, okay? And each of your edits will be personally commented by a mentor, and this is a community to start from scratch and learn everything about video editing. So all these things he has mentioned here. If you select all this text simply and translate it into English, you will see here the most active video editor community in our country. So he's calling everyone in Serbia, right? Mentor calls every week, 16 courses in which you will learn Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Blender, CapCut, how to get a client, bonus lectures. If each of your edits will be personally commented by a mentor within Talas Academy, and you get active support from a mentor and community to start from scratch and learn everything about video editing. Entry fee is $70, right? So this is the way. So this is how he converts all his traffic and gets 1,000 members paying him every single month. Why is school the best way to monetize your skills? First off, school attracts over 31.4 million visitors every single month. If you go to school.com and click here, the similar web extension, you will see that Skool gets 31.7 million visits per month. So this is amazing. These people are not random people, they are serious learners actively looking for active communities where they can learn a particular skill, right? Low membership fee is a no-brainer for most of them, and because these people are serious learners, they actively engage in the community, which helps grow your school community overall. And finally, very important, how can you do the same if you are someone with a skill or passion and you want to monetize your skill? So, what are the next steps to take to achieve the similar, or if not similar, amazing results for your school community? You can learn from Andrew Kirby. You can click the first link in the description down below, and if you click here, you will land on his school community synthesizer. He is helping educators just like you use Skool to change the world and make 10,000 to $100,000 per month, right? So this community has almost 36,000 members. I'm a member of this community as well. I'm learning a lot and I'm implementing everything he teaches inside my school community and on my YouTube channel. So basically, he is a mentor of mine as well. So helping educators to use Skool to change the world and make 10,000 to $100,000 per month. Here's his proof. He's first ever Skool investor and first ever free Skool community owner. He is the top 1% owner of the Skool groups with 500,000 plus YouTube subscribers. And as you can see here, he's the one he's the top 1% community builder on Skool. A high quality community of passionate educational creators just like you and me, right? So you can join by clicking the first link in the description below. This is not a theory but actionable process to follow. So this is it for this video. I hope you have got some value and got some direction for your future, and I truly hope and wish that you take action. Simply click the link in the description and start learning from Andrew Kirby.